Want to learn the top 5 ways to hack a password for beginners? You're in luck, because that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. Every single day, millions of passwords are decrypted. In 2021 alone, there were almost 6 billion accounts compromised. So, how are hackers able to break their way into personal accounts? Some of them are so easy that it might have you double-checking your security. If you want to shore up your own security by understanding how easy it is to hack passwords, keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways to hack a password for beginners. But make sure you stick around to the end of the video to learn how you can become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. And before I get started, please do me a big favor by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. It really helps me out with the algorithm so that I can grow this channel. Done that? Let's go! Stay tuned as we explore 5 ways to hack a password. Social engineering. Instead of worrying about using strong computers and programs to decipher a user's password, one of the simplest ways is by going straight to the source. If the user knows their password, then they could be tricked into revealing it to attackers. Usually, these kinds of attacks will come in the form of an email form. We all have heard of the Nigerian print scam, but phishing emails have come a long way since then. These days, an effective way to get someone's login credentials is to pose as a trusted source. Say you receive an email from someone posing as Amazon, notifying you of a purchase or delivery. If you click the link in the email and punch in your details, then the attacker has now all of your information. It's as simple as that. This way might not be the most effective, but it can be pretty easy to set up. Brute force. Imagine a small combination lock with 3 digits. If you didn't know the correct numbers, it could take a while to solve. There are 1,000 different combinations. A brute force attack uses the same principle. It uses trial and error until the right string of characters is found. A study found that around 5% of data breaches come from brute force attacks. These attacks are most effective on websites with weak hash encryption because the stronger and more complicated ones take far too long. Of course, this doesn't involve manually entering different combinations one by one. Instead, tools like Hashcat, John the Ripper, and Ncrack are used to automatically try different combinations. Dictionary attack. A dictionary attack is a little easier to understand than a brute force one. As the name suggests, it uses words in a dictionary to systematically try and guess passwords. But it's not just the normal dictionary. It's also commonly used passwords and misspelled words. There are over 1 million words in the English language, which is far less than quadrillions of combinations that random letters and number combinations make up. That's why this method is much easier, but also less likely to work. Credential stuffing. If you already have a key, it's worth trying out on more than just one thing. That's the idea behind credential stuffing, which takes previous uncovered passwords and username pairings and tries them on a bunch of different websites. Many people still use the same password for all of their accounts, which makes them vulnerable to these kinds of attacks. Are you looking to accelerate your career towards a high-paying job in cybersecurity? Before I reveal the final and almost unknown way to hack passwords for beginners, check out Station X. Cybersecurity professionals are in such high demand that companies are offering great salaries to attract new talent and even better salaries to those advancing their skills. Some cybersecurity professionals are now charging $2,500 per day. Yes, high demand means great paychecks. So what does the global shortage mean for you? It means opportunity. If you join the VIP membership at Station X Cybersecurity School, you'll get unlimited access to all the training material you need to become a highly paid cybersecurity professional. Check out the link in the description below to sign up for a big discount. Now, back to the video. Rainbow table. This one is less common now because most companies have upgraded to more secure levels of hash, but on older or less secure systems, it still works. A rainbow table is a pre-computed table with both plain text and the hash value equivalent for each. It makes it much quicker to crack passwords, but hackers still need to gain access to the list of password hashes first. Rainbow table attacks are much less common these days because of increased security measures put in place by most companies. The most common one is called salting, and it involves adding a random value to each hashed password. That makes the rainbow table effectively useless, but outdated systems and software could still be vulnerable if you're interested. Are you an expert at social engineering? Which technique do you think is the most effective? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more cybersecurity content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.